Right, to start off lesson today, we're going to do some work, some number work. And we've done this a few times before. I asked some children to come up with a number and just make some numbers and ask you some questions about them. And hopefully, some of you lot will ask me some questions about them as well. So, some volunteers. Lauren, up here please. Rachel. And Medina. Okay, where's my... Here you go. Okay, in a line please, nicely. Okay, I want you to form the smallest number you can with those three numbers. The smallest number you can form. Are they right, Joseph? Yes. They are right, good. I want you to form the biggest number you can with those numbers. Fantastic, yeah, they're right? Mm-hmm. Good. Okay, Tyra, is a number in the 5 times table?
Yes.
How do you know?
Yes.
How do you know?
Because in 5 tables it ends in 0 or 5.
Great. The rule is it ends in a 0 and a 5, so we know that. Fantastic. Lauren, come to me please. And sit down. Who can tell me something about that number up there? Zed.
It's even.
Even number. Number 20, what do you know about it? How many 10s has it got?
2.
2, good boy. Samaya?
It's in the 10 times table.
10 times table. Amina?
3 times table.
3 times table. Ooh, is she right, Yad? No. What times table is it in?
It's in 5s, 2s.
Anything else?
4s.
4s, good boy. Okay, girls, thank you very much. Come and sit down. Some more volunteers, please. Camille. I have 2 volunteers this time. Zed. It's that way up, by the way, so it's a 9. Yeah? Okay. What's the number, Rachel?
9.
9. Odd or even, Hamza? Odd or even?
Odd.
Odd. How do you know?
Because 1's an odd number, 3's an odd number, 5's an odd number, and 7's an odd number.
And
2's an even number, and 0's an even number, and 4's an even number, and 6 is an even number, and 8 is an even
good
number.
boy. You know evens and odds, don't you? Yeah? Ends in a 9, it must be an odd. Another number. Honora, go and join them, please. Hamza, is it still an odd number?
No.
No, good boy. Okay, swap round, make the biggest number you can. Fantastic. Lavender, how many hundreds in this number?
9.
9, good girl. Chloe, how many 10s?
2.
And Jared, how many units?
0.
0. Okay, now make the smallest number you can with that. The smallest number you can make. Brilliant. Oh, that's it. Yep. Okay, Sauda, what do you know about the number? What can you tell me about it? Anything.
It's an odd number.
Good. Remember Hamza's rule? Pusher, anything? No? Who can help Pusher?
If you take the 9 and say you have 2 29s, and if you take both of the 9s out, you'll have 20 and 20. 20 plus 20 is 40.
That's true. Take the 9s out, put the 0 there, double it is 40. That's quite an interesting one, isn't it? Samaya, what's double 29?
58.
Good girl. How'd you get the answer?
Because I doubled 20 and then double 9 and then added them up.
Good. Easy way of doubling, partitioning. Double the 10s, double the units, add them together. Fantastic. Cards to me, let's have one more. Who we have? I pick someone who's sitting nicely. Helen Louise, you're sitting nicely, well done. Let's have a different number this time. Let's have that one. Hamza, come on then, because you did so well with odds and evens. And one more, Chloe. Let's have another new number, new digit. There we go. Any way you like? Okay, Yad, is that, yes or no, the biggest number they can make?
No.
Who needs to move to make it bigger, Yad?
Chloe needs to swap with her and Louise.
Is he right, Camille?
Yes.
Yes, he is. Camille, is it in the 5 times table?
Yes.
How do you know?
Because it's 0 and 0 is in 5 times tables.
Good. Yeah? Ends in 0, ends in 5, it's in the 5 times table. Make the smallest number you can.
No.
Okay. Are they right, Danielle?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because 0 is nothing, so don't count that. And 3 is smaller than 7, so put that in front.
Okay. Yeah. Or, no, that's right, yeah, I accept that. Show me. How many 10s that number got? How many 10s?
3.
Good. How many units? Sauda? How many units?
7.
7. Right. Who can tell me some facts about this number? 37. What do you know about it?
37 is an odd number and it has 3 10s and 7 units.
Ooh, that's a very good start. Samaya, what else?
If you double 37 plus 37 equals 74.
74. Good. You're good at doubling. Anything else? Yet?
6 times tables?
6 times table? No, it's not. Zed, what times table is it in? Is it in one? What's it in?
4?
4? No? Sorry?
You know when it's in 2 times tables, but instead of starting at 1, then you go 1, 3, 7, then other numbers. So,
Right.
so it's in the 2 times tables, but starting with 1.
Is it in the 2 times table? Why not, Samaya? How do you know?
It's not even.
Right. If it's even, it'll be in the 2 times table. It's a rule. It always is. Yeah? So this one isn't any, is it, I don't think? What do you think, Amina? 3 times table? Remember, 10 threes are 30. Yeah? Then 33, 36, 39. So it's not. Camille?
7.
7 times table? No. Jared?
1.
1 time. It is in the 1 times table. What's the rule of 1 times table? How do we know it's in the 1 times table?
Because 1 is any number
Right.
number you can think of.
Any whole number is in the 1 times table. Couple more points. Samara, then Rachel, we'll move on.
18 and a half plus 18 and a half equals 37.
So 8.5 is,
8 and a half plus 18 and a half is 37.
so 18.5 is half of 37. Good. And last one was Rachel.
If Chloe's number is a 6, that means that it will be in the 12 times tables.
Yes, it would be. Yes. Okay. 12, 24, 36. Fantastic. Okay. Come sit down, please. Thank you for your help. Right. So now we're all thinking about maths. Thinking about numbers, Medina? Yes?
Is the number that we just made in the 7 times tables?
No, it's not. We're through that. Okay, hands down now, please. Moving on. On Friday, we did some work about Carroll diagrams. What is a Carroll diagram? Who can help me? Hazal.
It's a diagram that it's a system that you can sort out things like shapes, numbers, even numbers, odd numbers.
Yeah, anything. You can sort anything with a Carroll diagram. Yeah? Anything else you want to know about it? Samaya?
It's a way of interpreting data.
It is, yeah, okay. You can look at things and think of their properties and then sort things that way. So let's have a look on the board at one I've made. Okay, whoops. Okay, so last time we learned about Carroll diagrams. Before we move on today, we're going to do some quick work, just refreshing our memories after the weekend. Okay, so how is my Carroll diagram sorting the information? Tyra?
If you're 8 years old and if you're not 8 years old and if you're a boy and if you're not a girl.
Fantastic. Now, I've written some names on the board at the bottom. What I want the children to do is to come along and drag their names to where they think it should go. So first of all, Hazal. So as Tyra said, we're sorting by 8 or not 8, boys and girls. So Hazal, she's a girl and she's not 8. How old are you, Hazal?
I've got a day from 9 and the 29th of August I'm going to be 49.
Okay. Lavender. Okay, so we're sorting out the children based on their age and on their gender. Very good. Chloe and Joseph? Good. So a stranger from another planet will come in and realise, oh, Joseph's a boy. Didn't know. Here. Lauren? So what? Showing me? Everyone happy what they're doing, yeah? Everyone clear what's happening? Because I think on Friday we were pretty good at this, so I thought after a day we can move on to something else. Oops, what's happened? Yeah. There we go. Okay, how old are you, Shaimi?
7.
You're 7, so she's not aged 8. Good. Abdullahi, where is he? Come along. Jared and Yad. Yad? I think I know Yad's age. Okay. So we've sorted out the children, some of the children in the class, their names based on if they're 8, or if they're not 8, if they're boys, or if they're girls. Everyone happy with carol diagrams? Yeah? I thought we were good at that on Friday, so I thought we can move on today to something new. And today, our learning objective is sorting using a Venn diagram. And hopefully, by the end of today's session, I'll be able to, or you, to sort information using a Venn diagram. Who can remember what is a Venn diagram? Lauren?
It's where there's 2 circles, and there's one circle that means if their colour hair, say if there's blonde and brown, and if their hair is blonde and brown, you can put them in the middle.
Good, okay. So it's a way, it's like a carol diagram in some ways, in that you can sort information, okay? But it's a different way of doing it. Hazal?
It's like there's 2 circles, but it's inside each other like that.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to sort out the same data as before, different names this time, the children in the class, but we're still sorting depending on whether children are girls or boys, and if they're 8. Okay? If I was to put myself on here, if James was suddenly a child in the class, where would I go? Tyra?
8.
Sorry? Am I 8 years old?
Outside the circle.
Outside, yeah? So if you're not a girl, and you're not aged 8 years old, I'd be up, or me or someone else, okay, would be up here. If I was a girl and aged 8, I would go in the middle, okay? Let's see how we get on. Rachel, come start us off. Think carefully. I don't know your age. I'll find out very soon. Good. Enoris. Good boy. Why is Enoris there, Samaya?
He's aged 8, but he's not a girl.
Good. Hamza? See how we're sorting the information based on what we know about these people, yeah? Good. Well, Hamza's in white for some reason. Good. Danielle? And Sauda? Where's Sauda? Up here, Sauda, please. Good. Sauda? So we've got one girl so far who's aged 8. Medina? Good. How old are you, Sauda? 7. 7 or 9? 7. Camille? Why are you there, Camille? And?
I'm boy.
Okay, good boy. Zahid? Not here today? Who knows how old Zahid is?
He's 8 years old.
Okay, you can be Zahid today because Zahid is not at school. He's 8 and he's a boy, so he goes there. Helen Louise. Fantastic. Tyra. And then Kim Yan. Nice and quiet at the back, Kim Yan. Well done. Great. Kim Yan. Fantastic. Okay. This way of sorting is relatively easy because we all know if we're boys or girls and we all know our age. Yeah? Oh, where'd she go? How old are you, Tyra?
9.
You're 8? Okay. I'm asking her. Okay. So we sorted the information. We're now going to sort something we're going to sort something now where we're not as clear, or to think a bit more about what we're sorting. So can you get into a circle, please, on the outside of the carpet? Just going to come through here. All quick. Find a space. Now, for my Venn diagram, I'm going to use these hoops that we use in PE because they're quite big and they're a really clear way of showing our sorting. Okay? And I've been shopping at the weekend, and this morning I spoke to Amelia, and Amelia told me that lots of you, or all of you, have done most of these items in your Spanish. So when I take the item out of here, can you tell me the name of it in Spanish? See how we got on? Anyone? Zed?
Muy bien.
Fantastic. Anybody? Medina, want to go?
El champiñón.
No, no es el champiñón.
Amelia?
Es la cebolla.
It's a...
Cebolla.
Okay. Ooh, lots of hands. Chloe?
Potato.
Sounds like an easy one.
Sí.
Everyone should know this. Name of the class at school. Lauren?
La naranja.
Muy bien.
Naranja? Camille?
La tomate.
Is it la tomate? What is it?
Tara?
El tomate.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Good.
well done.
Rachel? Don't look at the wall. Forgotten? Medina?
Is it el zanahoria?
Yad?
La zanahoria.
Muy bien. Well
Good,
done.
Yad. By the way, you waited there without falling out. That's lovely. And this one here? It's got a bit soft, this banana. Ooh. Jared?
Say that again.
Nice and loud.
Banana.
Banana. Muy bien.
Banana. And... Zed?
El pepino.
Muy bien.
Good boy. It's a tough word. And this one here? Ugh. I'll take a bit of it out. Ooh, no. It's all very wet. Okay. Amina, what's this? It's... Look at me.
Speak up.
Chachuga.
She's very, very close.
What's the answer?
Kim Yan knows that.
Kim Yan?
La lechuga.
Muy bien, la lechuga.
Good.
Well
Good
done.
Spanish learning going on. And one more here. Lots of wrapping. Here we go. Azal?
La manzana.
La manzana, yeah?
Yeah, brilliant.
Okay, brilliant. So then, we've got our food items, because remember food is our theme at school this term. Okay? We've got our Venn diagram. Who can tell me how they can sort the fruit, or the foods? It's not all food, is it? How can we sort it? Yad?
So one side is fruits and one side is vegetable.
Okay. But could something be fruit and vegetables though? Yeah? Yeah. What we need to do is be able to sort it so that it could be one or the other, or it could be both. Tyra, you have a go. Anyone? Rachel? Well, how are you going to sort it first of all? Tell me.
I can sort it out in Spanish, like, because some begins with L and La. I can put ones that begin with L and ones that La.
Anyone else have suggestions? And then I'll decide what I like. Jared?
I just remembered it can't go in the middle.
Okay. Zed?
The ones that have long names and the ones that have short names.
Problem with that though is we'd have to decide what is long or short and where's the boundary. I'll take one more, then I'll decide, or two more, sorry, Chloe and then Medina. Chloe?
Ones that I like and ones that I don't like.
But that'd be very personal to you. We need to be a whole class thing. Yeah, because what you might like, I might not like. Yeah? Medina?
Some that are red and green and not green.
Ooh, I like that one. Right, let's go with Medina. Okay? So, a bit of paper. Oops. Because remember, some of these food objects can be both red and they can be green. So, on this side, ones that are red, but that's where it doesn't fall away. And on the other side, ones that can be green. Okay, Medina, can you sort them for me? And middle's red and green. Hazal, what's on the outside then?
The outside is not green and not red.
Good. Let's see how she gets on. Have a look at what she's doing, okay, and think, is she right? When she's finished, I'll ask someone to correct her if she's wrong. Okay, Medina, fantastic. Lauren, all correct? What can move?
Yeah, that's right.
You can get red and green peppers, can't you?
And orange.
Green oranges? Red oranges? Hot oranges normally orange?
Sometimes they can be green.
Yeah. Oh no. That's right.
I think the orange can stay outside, Lauren. Yeah? Good. I like that. Lauren, why is the apple now in the middle?
Because sometimes they can be red and green.
Good. How's that?
And there's a little green there and a little green there.
Oh, so part, yeah, okay. Do you want to put it in then? Because quite often when I go to the shop and buy some bananas, I buy the green ones, so they ripen over the course of a week.
No, what's red?
Oh no,
It is green.
she was right the first time. Yeah? Okay, any questions? Everyone happy with that? How we sorted it? I like Medina's idea about red and green. Okay, good way of sorting. Fantastic. Okay, let's sort another one more, then we're going to do some work with our tables. Right, I want somebody to sort my food items. Yeah? On one side, I want items that you can cook. Yeah? Because some things you don't cook, you just have them raw. Yeah? And, Tara, no talking please. And ones that you don't cook. And I ask someone who's sitting nicely and quietly to sort for me. I'm going to ask Chloe. I looked at her, she looked like she's ready to learn. Let's see how she gets on. So Chloe, ones that you cook, ones that you don't cook. Remember, in the middle is ones that you can cook or you can just eat them raw. Remember, if you think that she might be wrong, I'll ask you to help correct her. Okay. Tara, is she right or wrong?
Right.
She's right. Yad?
I think it's wrong because you can't cook a banana.
Oh, I've got bananas. Banana custard? You eat bananas, don't you? Sometimes? Yeah? Danielle?
You can't cook cucumber.
Okay, do you want to move them then?
Yes, you can. I have
You know cucumber, you have cucumber normally just raw in a salad, don't you, or something? Yeah?
My mum cooks them.
Samaya?
The carrot has to go in the middle because you can cook it and you can't cook it.
Fantastic. Do we cook lettuce? No. Do you want to move lettuce then, Samaya? What about a pepper? Do we cook it or not cook it, or do we sometimes do both?
In pizza they do.
Hazal? Hazal?
In pizza they do.
Okay. But do we always cook it, or can we eat it raw sometimes, Lauren?
You can eat
You can put it in the middle because sometimes in my salads I have it raw and sometimes I have it cooked.
Exactly. So do you want to move into the middle then? Brilliant. Medina, anything else okay? What do you think? What about apples? Apple pie?
Yeah.
Shall I move it then? Fantastic. Yeah? You can eat it like that, just eat it raw, or you can put it into a pie and have it hot or something else and cook it. Hazal?
I've got a way to sort them out.
Okay, we're going to stop now because it's time to move on. What I want to do is some work in our books. Your books are on your tables for you already. Okay, listen carefully. Samaya's table. Ooh. In your numeracy seats. Samaya's table. You're going to draw in your books 3 Venn diagrams. The first one, you're going to sort multiples of 5. What's multiple of 5, Camille?
Like 2 times 5 is 10.
Yeah, numbers in the 5 times table. Yeah? And also even numbers. Hamza told us about as well, didn't he? 0, 2, 4, 6. Second Venn diagram, multiples of 5, multiples of 4. And the third one, design your own Venn diagram. You sort your own thing. Wait a second. So that's Samaya's group, and yeah, the group in the corner over there. Okay. Next 2 groups, one behind Amelia, and the corner group are going to draw just 2 Venn diagrams, Rachel. Okay. They've got some numbers here to sort. First Venn diagram, sort multiples of 5, Joseph, and even numbers. Second one, numbers with 5, 10s, and odd numbers. What's the number that have 5 10s? Did this last week, didn't we, Samaya?
The ones that are between 50 and 50. No, the ones that have 5 as in the 10.
Yeah. So the number 55, for example, has 5 10s and 5 units. 56, 5 10s, 6 units. So it's numbers that have 5 10s. And this table here, we're going to do some sorting with me on the table. So nice and quiet. Go and sit down, please, in your seats. Okay. Very sensible, yes. And also me, you see me. You put it back. Okay. Yes. Sorry? You what? Yes. Yep, I'll put it on the board. Dates on the boards. Okay. Right.
I'll give you so nice. What? You have to do it so nicely.
I don't have to do it so nicely.
I'll give you your pinky then. Even you, Tyrone. Oh.
So they...
One. Haha, very funny.
Oh, what's the list?
Table 5 time table.
Stop.
5 is even numbers. Number times 5. I can't draw circles. Five. Let's start with 9. 5, 10. 10.
25 here.
22.
25. 35.
You know, for the one that you do on your own, I'm going to do supercars and just normal cars.
200. No, 100 in the back. What's the first one? 21. No, 21, it's not even. 24. 45. 55. 40. 30. 20. 20. 20, yeah. 20, 35, 45, 65, 75, 70, 60, 90, 80. Oh, that's all I can do. 85,
That's you just in the middle, so
32, 36.
Yeah.
Even numbers.
Right. So, how are you going to draw the circles? You're going to do them by hand?
Yeah.
Right. Brilliant. Oh, that's crafty around the bottom of the pencil pot.
Amina, I'm going to use that after you, please.
So which is going to, what are you going to say about these two circles here?
Medina, can I use it after you?
What have you just written there? Sorry, I can't read it sideways. What's that? Oh, is that going to be multiples of 5? Ah, right. Okay.
Amina, I'm after you. Medina's after you. And then I'm after you. No, she's
So is this the title for the...
Yeah.
Yep. And which one's going to be which of your two circles?
This one I forgot.
Well, you can choose, can't you, which circle is which?
Yep.
It's up to you, isn't it? I'll come back in a few minutes and see how you're getting on. Thank you.
Just waiting for very long. It doesn't look good for this stuff.
Because it ends in 5.
Because ends in 5, so 5 times 7 equals what?
56.
Think again.
I mean 35.
35, well done. So 35 go in the multiple of 5. Yeah? What about 25? It's odd, well done. What else? What's happened with 25? Is it a multiple of 5?
Multiple 5.
Why?
Because you have to look at the end number and that's 5.
So because 5, how many times you multiply 5 to have 25?
5.
5 times. So 5 times 5 equals 25. So where do we put it? Here or here?
Here. Here.
There, well done. 25. Pardon? I don't have a roller, Joseph. Sorry. What about 10? Number 10.
Even.
It's even and?
Oh, and it's in 5. And it's multiplies of 5.
As
So
a
it goes here.
Well done. It's an even number and it's a multiple of 5 because 5 times what is 10?
2.
5 times 2 equals 10. Well done. So what's next? 56. What is 56?
That's the 4 times table, that's the 5. And that's when it's both. Gotcha. And you chose that one, did you?
Right.
And was that one? Oh no, that one. Now you're gonna choose your own next time.
Why?
Right.
Because it's not red and it doesn't have 4 sides.
Good boy. One more each. Okay, Enoris, here's your shape. Put it in the right place, please. Is he right, Pusher? He is. Pusher. What is it? Remember the name? Hexagon. Well done. Where does it go? Is she right? Ablahi.
Yeah, because it's 6 sides and it's not red.
Good boy. Here's your prize. Put it in the right place for me, please.
How come he gets 3?
You're coming next, show me.
Again.
Ooh. Show me. Is he right?
No. Yeah.
He is. Why is he right, Pusher?
Because it's red and haven't got a 4th side.
And the last one is Xiaomi, who's waiting very patiently. Here you go. Put it in my Venn diagram. Maybe about 10 numbers? 10 different numbers, yeah? Ooh. Is she right, Norris?
No.
Why is she not right?
I don't understand. It has 2, 5 sizes and it's not red.
Good. Okay, sit up, please. Let's have it one bit harder this time. And then I'll ask one of you, who's been very sensible, to sort them for us. Your name's there. You don't need to know. Okay, this time.
Why is supposed to write in the
Then the second diagram says
Louise, can I use your rubber?
listen carefully. 5 tens and odd numbers. Yeah? The first one.
Sorry. That's even and that's 5 almost.
Okay, we're gonna do the tens, yeah? And we're gonna do the odd numbers. Yeah?
Why is supposed to write in how many tens? Why is supposed to write in the whole?
3 to 3 Venn diagram. Venn diagram 1. Sort multiplies of 5 and even numbers. Venn diagram
I'm even 14.
Where do we have to be? 52. Listen what it says. All numbers with 5 tens and odd numbers.
You can't put it there because it's even, so you have to put it in.
52 there?
Yeah.
What do you think, Chloe?
I think we should go there.
I think he's right. And you?
Yeah, right.
Okay, let's do the second one. What about 5?
5, it has no tens and it's
Well
also
done.
like I said.
And 15
51 goes
How
in the
many
middle.
how many tens in 51?
5.
5. Okay. And is it an odd number?
Yes.
What do you think, Chloe? Is it an odd number? Why?
Because 1 is an odd number and so is 5.
Well done. So it got tens and it got an odd number.
So it goes in the middle.
It goes in the middle. Well done. Let's see next one. What about 29?
9 is on, has got 5 times, sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, but listen. Remember, they have to have 5 tens and 29 is a 5 tens. It's only an odd number. So we put it here. Yep.
Yeah.
Well done. What about 10?
The last one is going to be. Where's it
Then I'll be after you say. Yeah. If Jim says. Oh, that's sad.
So, how did you get on with today's thing? What did you do for your last one?
2 and 10 times.
So we had 2 times on the left.
None's on the here, none's over here on the 10 times tables. Because whatever's going to be on the 10 times tables is going to
Was
be in the middle.
always going to be even, is it? So it's all right. Right. So it's going to always be empty, isn't it? Ooh. What did you choose for your last one? Odd.
Yes. Please.
Very good.
And close our books.
Well done.
Having pile of books on the table. Pile of books, pile of rulers, and a pile of sheets. This table not listening.
Sorry, my fault.
Close your books, pile of books.
Well done, guys. You did very well.
All finished.
Okay, gas table, come to carpet, please.
This is just
Rachel's table on carpets. Quickly come down. Amina's table on carpets. Final workers here. Did very well. Gas on the carpet, please. And the rest of you. To the front, please. Keep your hand in straight away. Thank you, Lauren. Well done. Thank you, Norris. Oh, sit down, please. Okay. Just waiting for 1 or 2 children. Thanks, Hamza. Okay, seen some nice work there. My table does some really nice sorting. We're sorting shapes and we're sorting some information about ourselves as well, which is good. Okay, just to finish off with, because it's almost time to finish, we're going to do some sorting involving some animals. Now, the last time I did this, I told you how to sort them. Okay, what I want is a volunteer to tell us to move the bin so we can see the pig. A volunteer to come and show me how they can sort these animals. Okay, so look at them, think about their properties, their characteristics. Lives in the water, for example. Lives in the water and on land. Yeah? Number of legs. Domestic pets. Did it earlier today, didn't we? Domestic pets, wild animals. Okay? Medina, come on then. Look carefully. If she gets it wrong, I'll ask someone to help correct her. While you're waiting, think how you sort them. And in fact, when she's done it, we'll try and work out what she's done. Brilliant, Medina. Thank you. Who can tell me how Medina sorted them? Joseph.
Like the one which lives in the sea and the one which lives on land.
Okay, so show me. Which of these lives both in the sea and on land? And what is it?
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Yeah, the one in the middle. Good. Which one lives just in the sea? Chloe?
Fish.
Fish. So all the rest live on the land. Yeah? We can't put them outside. Why is that?
Because if we put them outside, it means they don't live in the water, they don't live on ground or water or ground.
Okay. What about a bird? Could a bird go there?
Yes.
Okay. A bird's always in the sky. No. So they do live on land, they just can fly. They make their nests on land, don't they, or in trees. Yeah? Who's got a way of sorting the data different to how Medina did it? Zed. Once again, look how he does it. Let's see if we can work it out. Oops. Let me move my circle. You done? Okay. Now how's that people work out what Zed's done? Chloe, what's he done?
Ones that have 4 legs, the one that have 8.
Yeah? No? Smart? What's he done?
Actually, I was going to say what. Oh, I know.
Yeah, Chloe's right.
Yeah, exactly.
Chloe is right.
Yeah.
Okay. Would a carrot diagram be better for that? Because in the middle you couldn't put they've got 4 and 8 legs. They've either got 4 or they haven't. Yeah? So perhaps for that criteria, a carrot diagram might have been better maybe. Yeah? Okay, we've got time for maybe one more person. Tyra? Come and sort the data, Tyra. Watch what she does carefully. Ooh. Just again, that's it. Not sure what the blue thing is, it's funny, isn't it? Okay, you done? Yeah? Come on then. Who can tell me what she's done? In Norris, what's she done?
Some of them
Oh,
have.
hold on, what's that?
I forgot the fish.
Where do you want the fish to be? Here?
Yeah,
Here or here?
the red one.
In the red one?
In the middle.
In the middle? Okay. In Norris, what's she done?
Some of them have 4 legs, some of them doesn't. And one doesn't.
No? Is that?
On the red, on the things that you can't catch, and on the middle, the things that you can catch, and on the blue one, I know the blue.
No? You're saying about things that you can catch and some that you can't catch. No. Lauren?
Is it things that she likes and things that she doesn't like?
Yeah?
And I
So-
kind of like the fish and kind of don't.
Which ones do you like then, Tyra? Which ones do you like?
Elephant, cat, rabbit, and fox.
So with the fish being in the middle, does that mean you sometimes like it, sometimes don't like it? Yeah? Okay, fair enough.
Because
Okay,
sometimes
is
my
that-
fish are.
No, it's time to stop now. So just to finish off, I need to know whether we need to spend more time doing Venn diagrams again tomorrow, okay, or if we know what we're doing. So put your hand up if you're a green. I understand Venn diagrams and know what I'm doing. Based on what I've seen today, I've seen lots of good learning, lots of good questions, good answers, okay? Most of us happy with that. Hands down. Orange. I know a bit about Venn diagrams, but need to do a bit more work on them. Yeah? Fair enough, Hamza? It's not right or wrong answer, it's how you feel, remember. You as well, yeah? A bit more work on them? That's fine. And the last one, I don't have a clue about them, I need lots of help with them. Brilliant, okay? So most of us know what we're doing, 1 or 2 of us need a bit more help, yeah? So well done, fantastic.